Hello enthusiast! Sa wakas, dumating na rin ang bagong hari sa ating lineup. Yan ang Sofern IF30. Mayroong nakamamanghang 12,000 lumens na liwanag sa kanyang floodlight at 2,500 lumens para sa spotlight na kayang umabot ng 685 meters. Tara, samahan niyo akong mag-unbox, mag-testing at kilatisin ang build quality at pag-usapan natin ang kanyang user interface. Let's do a quick unboxing first. Let's go. That is the quick unboxing. Now, let's go out and do some outdoor test. Testing natin yung ating Sofern IF30 dito sa ating site number 1. Ito ang Buhisan Dam, 180 meters from the viewing deck. Let's go right away to turbo. Boom. Napakalakas ng kanyang spotlight. Oh, yan. Easy. Yan, hinaan natin. Tapos lakasan natin. Ayan. Ito yung spotlight mode niya at turbo. Ayan, napakalakas. Tapos switch tayo to floodlight. Boom. So yan, floodlight and then spotlight. So let's do the floodlight only. Yan. Kahit yung floodlight niya is umaabot pa rin doon, 180 meters. But yung spotlight niya yan, napakalakas talaga. Boom. There. Let's light up that mountain approximately 850 to 900 meters. Yan. Using the spotlight at turbo. Yan. Subukan natin. IF30, 3, 2, 1. There you go. Kayang-kaya niya. Oh. So kung nakikita yung patch na yan, it reveals the patch just beside that mountain. Yan. Kayang-kaya ng ating Sofern IF30. Yan. This is turbo. Testing ng Sofern IF30. Let's go right away to flood and turbo. 3, 2, 1. Boom! Grabe, sobrang liwanag. And this is the spotlight. Yan, ito yung spotlight niya. And then spot and flood. There. Sobrang liwanag. Yun. This is amazing. Very amazing. Boom. So flood. This is the flood alone. This is a spotlight. And spot and flood. Yan. Yan, Sofern IF30. Let's load it up at the coastal area. Boom. That's the highest. Yan. Sobrang liwanag. Sobrang liwanag ng IF30 natin, no? Let's switch to spotlight. There. Pinakamalakas niya na spotlight. So, umaabot sa mga bahay doon. Yan, sobrang lakas, sobrang liwanag. Yan, medyo foggy ngayong araw na to, kaya yan, hindi masyadong tumatagos yung beam natin. It's a very foggy night. Alright, another angle. Try naman natin. There you go. Look at that beam. Naka-spotlight yan. And then let's switch to spot and flood. Wow. It's very, very bright. Spotlight and then spot and flood. Then yan, flood lamp. Yung floodlight lang yan. Ito lang yung floodlight niya. Sobrang liwanag ng floodlight niya. Nasa maximum. Wow, that's very bright. Ngayon naman pag-usapan natin ang kanyang overview. Let's start with an impressive output. Nabanggit ko kanina na kaya niyang umabot ng 12,000 lumens sa kanyang floodlight dahil yan sa 12 TN3535 LEDs na pinapalibutan ng isang SFT40 na siyang kayang umabot ng 2,500 lumens at kayang bumato ng 685 meters on paper. Yung mga LED nga pala niya is gumagamit ng isang smooth reflector. Yan. So sa gitna isang deep reflector at dito naman sa gilid shallow reflectors for the floodlights. Yung lens naman niya ay gumagamit ng hard glass. This has a nice granulated bezel at mapapansin mo sa gilid meron siyang mga heat sink fins. So let's go down a bit dito sa heatsink fin niya and sa kanyang switch. Yan. Pag-uusapan natin ang kanyang switch at ang kanyang user interface. So ang Sofern IF30 ay automatic na nagla-lock after 15 seconds kapag hindi mo na siya ginagamit. This is a very handy feature for safety kasi 12,000 lumens is no joke. It can easily burn into light materials or even your bag or your pocket. So for me, a safety feature is a must-have, and for the Sofern IF30, wala ka nang iisipin pa. Di mo na kailangang tandaan na i-lock ang IF30 kasi magla-lock na siya para sa'yo. At ganito naman siya kapag tinry mo siyang pindutin kapag nakalock. Magbiblink lang siya. At para naman ma-unlock mo siya, ang gagawin mo lang is ikutin ang dial niya. Yan, kapag umilaw na siya ng berde, ibig sabihin yan, pwede mo na siyang gamitin. There you go. At dahil napag-usapan na natin ang kanyang switch, let's jump right ahead sa kanyang user interface. Sobrang dali lang ang kanyang user interface. Just spin the dial clockwise at lalakas na ang brightness niya. Spin it the other way, counterclockwise para naman hinaan mo. Sa pagpapalit ng kanyang LEDs na gamit, we're currently using the floodlights. So, press and hold mo lang yung switch. Yan. It will switch from floodlight to spotlight. Press it again and hold. At pwede mo nang gamiting sabay. Yan. Yan. So yan yung sequence niya. So floodlight, spotlight, and then sabay. And then reverts back to floodlight. Yan. Press and hold mo lang siya. Sobrang dali. And for your convenience, pwede mo siyang i-double press for instant access to the highest setting or the turbo. And then just click once and it will revert back to the last brightness that you've used before turbo. Halimbawa, turbo natin ulit. Ayan. Click it once, babalik siya sa last na brightness na ginamit mo before going to turbo. So aside sa turbo, meron din siyang strobe. Just do a triple click. 1, 2, 3. Easy. And it also has a memory function. And kapag in-off mo siya on a certain brightness that you turned it off, kapag in-on mo ulit, it will turn on the same brightness where you left it or when you turned it off. Yung chart niya for brightness, runtime, and all, I'll just flash it sa screen. Kung napapansin nyo naman sa gitna, meron siyang LED dito. Nag-iiba ang kulay niyan because that is your power display or power indicator. And it also doubles as your charging indicator. Tingnan naman natin ang likod ng switch niya. So nandito ang kanyang charging port. It charges via USB-C, making it very convenient for daily charging. It is capable of 120 watt charging and reverse charging. That means you can charge your phones here. This is also your go-to power bank. It is also designed with the advanced temperature regulation technology or ATR technology. So automatic na nag-adjust yung brightness niya when the driver temperature reaches 55 degrees. So combined with its auto lock feature, it is safer to carry in your pockets or backpack without worrying about damages caused by unintentional activation or accidental press. Pag-usapan natin ang kanyang build at ang kanyang tube. It is made out of 6061 aluminum alloy with a drop resistance of 1 meter and water resistance of IP68. So yung IF30 naman natin comes apart into 3 parts. So we can unscrew this one from the head. Yan, natatanggal dito yan. At ito naman ang kanyang kadambuhalang battery. 32650, 6500 milliamp hours. The tube and threads is lubricated with grease. It also helps with preserving yung threads niya at syempre yung kanyang rubber gasket. You can twist off the bottom cap o yung tail cap niya. Yan. Spring contacts. But dito is a fixed contact. So here's the look at the circuit board, the contacts, and the threads. So ito yung parts ng IF30 natin. Let's put it back together. So that's the rundown of the Sofern IF30. And I want to thank my friend from Sofern who also included this diffuser that fits the IF30. Yan, ito ang pinakamalaking diffuser nila. Magandang gamitan ng diffuser na to for camping, outdoor activities, ganyan. It is very, very useful even in emergency situations. And now my final thoughts for the Sofern IF30. Ito ay isang napakalakas at maaasahang flashlight, isang tunay na halimaw pagdating sa liwanag. Ang ganitong klaseng ilaw ay hindi lang basta pangkaraniwan, kundi kapaki-pakinabang para sa iba't ibang sitwasyon at uri ng tao. Para sa mga outdoor enthusiasts, perfect to para sa camping, hiking at night trekking, lalong-lalo na sa mga madilim na trail at lugar kung saan kailangan ng malawak at malayong liwanag. Para sa search and rescue teams, ang malakas na beam nito ay malaking tulong sa paghahanap ng nawawala or pag-orient sa malalawak na lugar sa gabi. Para naman sa security personnel at first responders, mainam ito para sa surveillance, emergency response, at disaster situations kung saan kailangan ng instant at matinding ilaw. Para naman sa mga homeowners at preppers, napakagandang backup flashlight ito para sa power outage, bagyo, at emergency situations kung saan kailangan mo ng malakas na ilaw sa loob at labas ng bahay. Para naman sa industrial at construction workers, kapaki-pakinabang sa night shift operations, inspection work, at large-scale maintenance, lalo na sa mga lugar na mahirap abutin ng normal na ilaw. In all aspects, ang Sofern IF30 ay isang matibay, maaasahan at napakaliwanag na flashlight, sulit para sa mga nangangailangan ng matinding visibility. Ito ay isang solid at highly recommended flashlight. Kung nagustuhan mo ang review na to, huwag kalimutang i-like, share at mag-subscribe para sa maraming flashlight reviews. Salamat sa panonood. Here's your boy Muhayag. See you on the next video.